Our next job is to replace a wheel stud. This wheel stud was stripped. In order to do that, we have to take the caliper off and the rotor off, and then get the stud out. This is the new wheel stud, so I'm going ahead and take the caliper off next. The caliper bolts are 22 millimeter. One of them is here, one here. I was able to get the bottom one loose with a 1/2 inch drive, 22 millimeter socket. All right, these bolts are loose now. And now the caliper and the rotor can come off. So move the caliper out of the way. And there we can now see the wheel studs here, and we'll have to hammer that one out and replace it. So this is the bad wheel stud here. I'm going to use a little bit of penetrating spray. However, these are compression fit in here, so the spray is may not do much. It can't hurt to try. We have to hammer this out. Right, little hammering, and it did come out. You try not to hit it too hard, but just every time you tap, it'll come out a little bit. So just keep tapping it until it comes out. Rotate it here, and there's just a little gap. I'll take it out. So there's the bad one. It's out now. There's the new one. You see the compression fit here. So now we'll use a lug nut or just a nut to pressure this back in. I am getting the compression fit in there by put the rotor on and then using the lug nuts to pull the compression fit bolt in. So just going to tighten this now just to get that compression fit. So I tighten it a little bit. You can see it's partially, the compression fitting is partially in there now. So I'm gonna put the rotor back on and use the lug nut to tighten it a little more, although this could probably just be tightened with the wheel on.